Check out the latest breakthrough in Ukrainian drone technology. Introducing the Raybird Reconnaissance drone, a game-changer with a staggering flight range of up to 2,500 kilometers. Engineered by Ukrainian designers, the Raybird unmanned aerial system stands out for its exceptional flight endurance and versatility. It's tailor-made for gathering crucial intelligence and processing data in challenging combat environments. What sets the Raybird apart is its ability to embark on extended reconnaissance missions lasting up to 28 hours. It keeps a continuous watch, tracking targets and executing other vital operations requiring unwavering stamina. With automated takeoff and landing, plus tool-less assembly in just 25 minutes, the Raybird becomes an indispensable asset in time-sensitive operations. Its mechanical catapult enables takeoff from the toughest terrain and in adverse weather conditions, surpassing the limitations of traditional vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) systems. Built to endure harsh weather, extreme temperatures, and electronic warfare threats, the Raybird ensures mission success against all odds. Equipped with a versatile payload capacity of up to 5 kilograms, the Raybird features video and photo systems, SAR, synthetic aperture radar, laser guidance, and more. Its modular design allows for quick system swaps in under a minute, adapting swiftly to specific mission requirements. Here's a glimpse of the Raybird 3's impressive features. Flight duration: 28 hours maximum flight range, 500 kilometers maximum flight altitude, up to 500 meters telemetry and control data transmission radius, up to 120 km. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking technology.